did hear this morning that Good Gravy is actually one of Ryan's favorite roller coasters because it's the only gravy-themed roller coaster east of the Mississippi. It does not have a hydraulic launch. So this year we're celebrating 80 years of Holiday World. So originally opened in 1946 as Santa Claus Land. We'll be celebrating 80 years this year. We're bringing back a lot of the new entertainment that I just talked about and adding to it as well. Sometime last year, we decided we needed to get some test dummies for the Raven because we had heard that there were some rough spots. So we got some test dummies.
Oh my God.
Now it really gets rough when we go to drone shots. We did have some rough spots in the Raven. They proved it. So we're doing quite a bit of work this off season. From the fifth drop on, almost all the way to the brake run, we're doing a complete stack replacement. So we've worked with Gravity Group to adjust, do some engineering, adjust our ledgers, and it'll be a brand new coaster from the fifth drop and to the brake run. There's a couple other areas on the Raven that we'll touch, and we invest so much money into our 3 wooden coasters because we want to keep you all happy and create a great ride experience for our guests. So we will continue to do that, and eventually we will dominate Phoenix again. But I will point out that today, look at Janine's fingernails. They are raven red. We're adding a new water park early water park entry option for our guests that have Platinum Season Passes, and also for our Santa's Cottages guests this year. So if you do get to visit this summer and you stay at Santa's Cottages, you'll have early water park entry, so you can ride our water coasters before anyone else, go stake your spot and your chairs in the water park. We're also on Fence Watch this year. Some of you may have heard that we added some flip-flops to a fence that is surrounding an area where a Raging Rapids family raft ride used to be. If you zoom in, it says 2027 on those flip-flops, so that might mean something's coming soon. But I'll just say follow our socials, and we've got a fun surprise coming later this year.